I am Holocaust survivor. I am aged and not anymore strong.
I need the Meal on Wheels because it's very important for us.
I have the food for Meals on the Wheel for 3 years and very happy.
I'm happy when I received it and I can warm.
It's very important, the program where the people bring the food to our apartment. We feel the people who work in this program, who my delivery, who shop, they do this with love. I'm so grateful and they care about us and we don't feel so lonely.
The food is lifeline for me. And I think it's not only for me.